Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching, if you are. This is a quick little sound demo of my 2017, the new Imagine version D28 Martin guitar. So, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of realistic sound tests. It's mostly dudes mic'd up with real nice mics and all that. So I figured I'd just do a couple quick little riffs, so you can kind of get a idea of what it would sound like. The mic's not the best on this iPhone 10, but it'll get the job done. So. Alright, thanks. And these are D'Addario EXP, the 13 gauge, actually the high tension strings, but I have it tuned down a half step below standard, so E flat tuning. I had it up to standard, little tough to play, can't really do any bending or anything like that. I mean, you can if you have like monster fingers, I don't, but you know, I do the best I can. But I think tuning flat, E flat on this with the 13 gauge, I think it plays really nice on the Martin. I'm gonna play around with some different strings and see, you know, what other sounds I can make. But this is standard. The only upgrade, if you want to call it, is I upgraded the bridge pins with a bone copy. I'm assuming it's a little bit better than the plastic ones that it came with, but besides that, it's all stock. So I'm gonna try to play some like soft stuff and then really kind of dig in a little bit so you can kind of hear the difference. It holds up really well. So. yeah, sorry, crappy playing, but just want to give you a quick little sound test there. This guitar is amazing. If you don't think you can pay for one of these, you can. I got mine at AmericanMusical.com. I'm not trying to throw out any advertising, but their pay-to-play program is amazing. I pay like $350 a month for 8 months, or they have like a 12-month payment plan. So if you don't think you can afford a nice Martin or Gibson, you can. So hope this helps some people out. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube, and there's not a lot of just dudes chilling at home playing guitar. It's a lot of dudes like with really nice mics playing crazy, blues, finger picking stuff and all that stuff. I have my own little different style. So I hope this helps some people, and good luck and happy playing. All right, thanks guys.